Snowstorm in Kentville, Nova Scotia, Canada. Please subscribe to the Dennis Ramsey YouTube channel. Thank you very much. A winter wonderland of white snow, hey? Please subscribe today to the Dennis Ramsey YouTube channel. Thank you very much. This would have been good for Christmas Day, but in Kentville we had a green Christmas. Today it's white wonderland. Would have been nicer for Christmas Day. Feel more like Christmas having all this snow, eh? Please subscribe and take care to the Dennis Ramsey YouTube channel. The king of Kentville folk art, Dennis Ramsey, you know what I mean? Y'all take care, and bye for now, and subscribe and share. Shall you?